Hi Capricorn. If your sun, moon, lagna, that is rising or ascendant, and your Venus is in the sign of Capricorn, this video is for you. In case some transit is happening in your Capricorn, which is heavily affecting you, even then this video is for you. Let's really go ahead with your bi-weekly. So it is like from 15th of March till 31st of March. Let's see what these 2 weeks are going to bring in for all of us. Capricorn. Let's see. Do not forget to hit like button, subscribe, comment and share. Do share this video if you like this video. If you have anybody who has Makar Rashi, which is Capricorn in significance in their birth chart. Let's see from 15th to 31st, what is the message? A lot of us are on the verge of taking some major decisions in our life. Okay, so your primary message for these 2 weeks is TikTok and fork in the road. Sorry. So TikTok is basically your divine timing has come to take that major decision. Probably you're confused on something. You're still thinking on whether you should go ahead with this person or not, whether you should be doing this work this way or not. Should you be applying for this or not? Or maybe you have different people to choose from to get your work done or whatever it is. So some confusion, some choices you have to make, some decisions you have to make, which will be a decision for quite a long period of time. But now the time has come for you to really get the work done. So in this deck, this is Wisdom of Oracle. The same picture is for the Yang energy also. Yang energy, somehow, I don't know, this is for the first time I'm noticing myself. Yang is the energy, is the masculine energy of action, is the masculine energy of getting the work done, is the masculine energy that the time is now mine. It's and I will not let any any hindrance into it. So TikTok is that your divine timing to take that particular decision that probably you've not been able to, or you have been hesitant, has come. So let's really find out now how these and that too by 30th of March you have to take. So within these 2 weeks you have to take that decision. So let's find out what is this decision all about, how our emotions or any other sort of energy getting affected. This just came out, these 2 came out. I need one more card. Yeah, see, yet another confusion card. I believe you are actually, waiting for somebody's correspondence. I'll just show you. Oh yeah. Okay, I just said that you're confused, right? And this is 7 of Cups, 7 of Moon. I'm using my Lost Tarot of Nostradamus. So this is 7 of Moon, 7 of Water, 7 of Cups, whatever you call. And this is a card which talks about illusion. This is a card which talks about that you're confused between options. You have so many options, okay, which is a good thing. At least we have options. But it is time for you to take a decision because there is a communication probably you have been waiting for, or this is 8 of Wands, and this talks about action. Okay, and I just said that your divine timing to take action has come. To decide and move towards your path has come. So maybe you're waiting for some communication. That communication will happen. Okay, and do not forget to make sure that you actually work towards this particular decision that finally you take within this month. Okay, within these 2 weeks. Then comes the Emperor. Emperor. This is our major arcana, and it is actually talking about Emperor is like a divine masculine. And remember, I was just saying that, seeing the TikTok card, I'm feeling that divine, that masculine energy of Yang, right? And this is masculine energy is depicted in the tarot by the card of Emperor, and this is a card of Aries, Mars. Okay, and Aries, Mars is all about getting the work done. Is like having that long term planning and really moving towards it. Nothing stops me. It is a very practical, very stubborn, reliable kind of energy. It is that divine masculine energy which comes and boosts the action plan. Okay, in case you think if this has something to do with marriage, then this card is actually talking about probably this communication is happening from the side of that marriage partner or match that you're looking for. Finally, please decide among the ones that you want to go ahead with or this correspondence. You need to take action also towards it. Some action before this correspondence happens, or when the correspondence happens, then take action, because this is leading you towards something long term. Okay. Do not stay confused, just like the eight of cups. Okay, let's really check more this decision, this crossroad thing that we have, this timing that we have. Oh god, I just saw sun and I just saw sun and magician. So sun is a card that now you have energy. So this is a card I just said, it is Aries energy, right? Aries energy is that fiery energy. Sun is that fire. Okay, Leo energy, huh? So it is all about bringing things to light, bringing things on surface, and being able to have that clarity and enthusiasm to work on that path. Okay, and the second card that I saw was a magician, which is a card of manifesting. You think and you manifest. So that kind of clarity you have, you need to have, and you will have within these 2 weeks. It's just that work towards that, so that you can have a bit of clarity. Have that intention that I need clarity. Have that intention that I need that required correspondence. Have that intention that I will take action. I will not sit tight. Do not give up. These energies are actually saying that your intentions. In your intentions, do not stay this confused and under this illusion of Seven of Cups. Most of the times things don't work physically, but you need for physical manifestations to happen, things have to move energetically also. So this is the time for energetically moving towards it, so that around the next week, around the end of the month, you will be in a position to manifest. So at least in your intentions, in your energy, raise your vibration so that you can attract the desired results. Let's find out more. Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands has come twice, guys, from both the decks. This is the Rider-Waite deck I'm using, and this is the Lost Tarot of Nostradamus. This is Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands is all about communication, travel, action, something reaching out to you, as if you throw. Eight of Wands is like I've thrown a stick towards you, and it is rushingly moving towards you. So that kind of a thing I am getting. It is a very powerful message. See, at this point of time, I'm getting fork in the road for almost like 2-3 other zodiac signs also received this message. So probably March is a month of that mental upheaval, that confusion, really getting out of it. Thankfully, everybody is getting out of it by this month end, and it won't continue. But the whole idea is not just you are confused, but everybody is confused, because we probably would have launched something new, or we want to do something new in a better way. So whatever whatever help you need, or some communication you need, that is coming up. Ace is that too, Ace of Swords, which is mental clarity, which is truth, which is understanding. It's like a divine intervention saying, hello, this is a yes, or hello, this is the truth. Okay, and Ace of Cups is like overflowing of that cup energy, that healing energy, that offer being made in both of these. If you can see, aces are always said to be very powerful cards in the tarot, because in both these cards, in the aces in the tarot, you'll see some divine hand from somewhere just comes and offers you something. There is a new beginning coming up, there is an offer which is coming up, there's a communication and a mental clarity which is coming up, and that offering is from the divine side, that now see the situation. I just said I saw sun card, right? So clarity is that. Then comes your Ace of Cups, which is all about manifestation, which is all about healing, which is all about, really finally taking that decision from the healed side of yours rather than that eluded side of yours. Okay, so it is a very good time. Probably you'll be out of the phase of confusion and get into that clarity and finally take that action, which will have a long term effect. And whether it is money, some opportunity you're thinking of, a new beginning is anyways coming up. Okay, so this is a very good time for you to manifest what you want, whether it is a relationship or some contract or some what do you call, some tender, or maybe some big client you want to manifest. Somebody might not have been communicating, but Eight of Wands coming twice along with Ace of Cup and Emperor with TikTok are actually talking about, with Ace of Swords also. Swords are also communication. Okay, so it is actually telling me that things are opening up, things are coming in light for you, and you'll be able to see through what's yours, what's not, how to take a decision, where to take a decision, and how to work towards it. So it's a very good time. Please utilize it and do come out of your confusion. Let me know in the comment box how these 2 weeks treat you, and if you like this video, please share it with your loved ones, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.